everybody, and welcome back to the Academic Convenience Store, where you can find fun, fast, and functional facts. I am so glad to have you back with me here today, and so I want to invite you yet again to head over to the academicconvenience.store.com and sign up for the Wonderful Writers Workshop. We will be mastering the 5-paragraph essay, and so today I want to talk about the 3 main genres of writing. Yes, there are many forms of writing, but the 3 main forms are narrative, informative, and opinion. For the narrative, that's the storytelling. And for informative, information, and facts, and opinion, hey, that's where you get to say what you want to say. For narrative, this is your time to be creative and expressive. For the informative, load us down with a lot of facts and information. And for the opinion, hey, you know what they say about an opinion. Everybody's got one. So head on over to the academicconvenience.store.com, sign up for the Wonderful Writers Workshop, and we're going to be mastering that 5-paragraph essay. Can't wait to see you there.